To check a Twitter QR code, start by opening the Twitter app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app to ensure compatibility with QR code scanning. Next, navigate to the Twitter profile of the user whose QR code you want to check. You can do this by searching for their username in the search bar or by selecting their profile from your followers list. Once you are on the user's profile page, look for the QR code icon, which is usually represented as a square barcode. Tap on this icon to open the QR code scanner. If you are scanning someone else's QR code, ensure you have their permission to do so, as this will allow you to access their Twitter profile and other associated information. To scan the QR code, hold your device's camera over the code, making sure it is centered and in focus. The Twitter app will automatically detect and scan the QR code. After scanning the QR code, you will be taken to the user's Twitter profile, where you can view their tweets, followers, and other information. You can also choose to follow them or send them a direct message from this page. Best practices for checking Twitter QR codes include only scanning codes from trusted sources and being cautious when accessing links or profiles from unknown users. Additionally, make sure your device has the necessary permissions enabled to allow the Twitter app to access your camera. By following these steps, you can easily check a Twitter QR code and access the associated user's profile and information. This feature is a convenient way to connect with others on Twitter and can be especially useful at events or conferences where QR codes are often used to facilitate networking.